Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to define a function in JavaScript, and we are going to first start with the method that uses the keyword function, because there are two methods and we are going to deal with both methods. So you can start with the keyword function, then you provide your function with a name. Maybe like in our case we can have an add number function, then the parentheses. Within the parentheses you can include the parameters. In our case, because we want to add numbers, we can have two numbers, num1 and num2. So these are the parameters that we are going to use in the function. Then we can console log the output here. So console log num1 plus num2. This is what we want to output, and we want to console log. All that we have done now, we have defined the function, but we have not called it. So if we are going to save this code, nothing is going to output onto the console, but because we have not called the function, but we have defined it. So in this case we have simply defined the function, but we have not called it. For us to have an output on the console, then we need to call the function, and we can call this function just right below it. So add num, and we can provide within these brackets, we can provide the numbers that we want to add. So in our case we can have 3 and 5. If I save this function, then we are going to have the output here, and we have an 8, as you can see here. This is how you are supposed to define a function in JavaScript. This is the first method, but we also have the arrow function method. So we can basically convert this function into an arrow function, and it is very easy. And let me just copy it here, and then comment this one, so that let me comment that one. For us to convert this function into an arrow function, then we need to start with a const add numbers, then an equals sign here, and an arrow function here, equals plus a greater than a sign. Then this is all that you need to do. So we have already converted the function into an arrow function. So if we were to save this function, then we would have an 8 as we had before. So we can as well change these numbers to show that it is working. If we save, then 9 plus 5 is going to. This is the newer version of the function. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video.